Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today, we're diving into a nourishing discussion that explores the harmony between intermittent fasting and plant-based meat alternatives. Join us as we delve into the world of intermittent fasting and plant-based meat alternatives. Intermittent fasting is a powerful way to promote wellness and mindful eating, and when combined with plant-based protein sources, it creates a balanced and sustainable approach to nourishment. Plant-based meat alternatives have gained popularity for their nutritional benefits and reduced environmental impact. When fasting, it's important to choose protein sources that support your energy levels and provide essential nutrients. Plant-based options like tofu, tempeh, seitan, legumes, and quinoa offer excellent protein content without the saturated fats and cholesterol found in animal products. During your eating window, incorporating plant-based meat alternatives can enhance your fasting experience. Consider a protein-rich breakfast with scrambled tofu or a hearty tempeh stir-fry for lunch. These options not only keep you satiated, but also align with the ethical and sustainable principles of plant-based eating. Plant-based meat alternatives are often rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. This can be particularly beneficial during fasting windows, as fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps hunger at bay. When breaking your fast, consider starting with a nutrient-dense meal that includes a plant-based protein source. This combination provides essential amino acids for muscle repair and overall well-being. Lentil soups, chickpea salads, and bean-based stews are excellent choices that nourish both your body and the planet. Exploring a variety of plant-based protein sources allows you to enjoy diverse flavors and textures. Whether you're trying the chewiness of seitan, the versatility of legumes, or the nutty taste of quinoa, these alternatives can be incorporated into a range of dishes to suit your fasting preferences. Plant-based eating also aligns with environmental sustainability. Producing plant-based proteins typically requires fewer resources, emits fewer greenhouse gases, and has a lower water footprint compared to conventional meat production. By choosing plant-based meat alternatives, you're making a positive impact on the planet's health as well as your own. As you navigate your fasting journey, remember that balance is key. While plant-based meat alternatives offer valuable protein and nutrients, it's important to maintain a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of whole foods. Listen to your body's needs and choose options that resonate with your well-being. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Happy Fasting Fun. By embracing intermittent fasting and incorporating plant-based meat alternatives, you're nurturing your body while supporting a sustainable and compassionate way of eating. Let's continue to explore the abundant world of mindful nutrition and its positive ripple effects on both ourselves and the environment.